Okay, today we're going to visit the Hua Mei Bird Garden. It's in Chinatown, around Lafayette and 4th Street. Here are these birds. It's part of the Hua Mei Club. It's a bird garden that has a special experience here in Chinatown area of Manhattan. There's a contest of birds that sing every Sunday in this gorgeous little park. I see the bonsai-like plants. I see some flowering trees. But more of all, listen to the birds sing. And look at these cute little birds. Look at this one flying around here. Wow. The cages are very interesting. I think our dog Dexter would like it, but I don't think I'd trust Dexter with these birds. Yeah. Oh, I hear some birds singing. I wonder if these are Hua Mei birds.
Usually 7 days, but we have a lot of members for people who get it. There's always no continuously. The young people don't spend time. Yeah, they more So
Exhilarating watching these birds here in the midst of the city. There's tranquility of these cute little birds here.
Because the people that raise them are older.
The older generation took pride in the singing birds. The younger generation have less of an interest in this club. But look at these exquisite birds here as we birding in Manhattan. Someday they might not have birds here in the park. But let's enjoy this today.